Okay, shall I make my dog?
Yes.
Let us do. Okay. Ripe, overripe, or underripe for sure. I like your little half-eared boo thing for sure. That's really cute, but I just love the underneath of the banana peel.
Mm-hmm.
It's too cute. And then here's the question: do I want him to be chunky? It looks like Livy from the back, though.
Mm-hmm.
The little tiny butt. With the big, like, barrel belly. Yeah, I'll have to make it chunky. So that's all good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I'm scared it's gonna randomly, like, change. Okay. Okay. And now this part's easy, because I've already decided. It's Ned! Right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not crazy. The paranoia.
Yay!
Ned is ready to go with you.
And then you can put a
Oh,
shirt on him if you
my
want.
gosh.
Oh?
You can rename him? The thing I was stressed about the most was
I
fixable the
didn't
whole
know
time.
that.
Aw, look at him. He's so perfect. No regrets. He's amazing. I'm so excited. Look at him sit. He's such a good boy. Dude, I'm obsessed with him. Look at his little butt. He looks like Livy. You're so cute. He's perfect. I did everything right.